Hey everyone, we're going to take a look at the rubric that we use to score short answer questions. Of all of our rubrics, this one is going to be the shortest. Keep in mind, as always, proficiency is 6 points out of 10. And the way the SAQ rubric is set up is there is 1 point if you used complete sentences in all three parts of your response, or 0 points if you did not. That's an all or nothing. Are your answers complete sentences? You get a point. If not, you don't. Part A, B, and C are the same in the rubric because the questions are the same, and they're worth 3 points apiece. If you are exact in your response, that means that you have correctly addressed the prompt. If it's an explain question, your answer includes a how or why description. If it's I should not say that well. If it's explain, you're addressing how or why. If it's descriptive, you're addressing who, what, when, where. So basically what we're saying is, did you answer what the prompt is asking? That's part of it. 2, did you answer with correct historical information? For example, if you would have said, the smallpox epidemic, one of the effects was it wiped out Europeans in the New World, then you would get no points because your history was incorrect. So these are pretty straightforward. Did you answer the question that was asked, and is what you said historically correct? If you were in the gray area, that your history might have a couple mistakes in it, or if you tried to explain, but you ventured into describe, but what you said was correct, then you would fall into adjacent. That means you didn't quite nail the prompt exactly as it was asked, or you had some errors in history. If you're discrepant for 0 points, where nobody wants to live, that again means that your history was, majority of it was wrong, or you completely misread the prompt and you answered it completely incorrectly. You just botched that response. That's what discrepant means. So most of you are going to live between exact and adjacent. And probably the biggest struggle is just remembering on explain questions to have because in all caps to make sure that you're how or why answering the question and not just describing. As with all of the rubrics, there's a number of combinations that you can make here. This one's a little bit more limited. You have to at least get 2 of the 3 criteria correct to get the 6 points to be proficient. You miss one of the questions and get a discrepant, you can still be proficient. However, if you miss 2, you're going to have to move on to the secondary assessment. So if you have questions over the rubric, feel free to email or ask your teacher. And as always, have a great day.